Nigatho cia mwanya mirori wa kiheotv kunyitana ithuĩ gũtũcagũra mahinda-inĩ maya tukaigua tũtĩkĩte ona makĩria nĩ gũtua ceceni ĩno hũrani tarĩki 8 mweri-inĩ wa Mũgaa mũtwathĩ na njĩra ya ciĩko etagwo Wambui wa Gaku na niĩ njĩtagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru na gĩtĩo kĩnene igua wĩ mũnyite ũgeni na tũrike mohoro-inĩ maitũ tukĩambĩrĩria nĩ atĩ President William Ruto nĩ arugũrĩtie mũbango wa kwambĩrĩria kũrĩha athuri othe a matũra ciringi 3,000 o mweri. Oho amerire atĩ thirikari ni gukorwo ikimarihira marihi ma kwiyandikithia mubango-ini wa SHA na maheo thimu cia kumateithĩrĩria wĩra-inĩ wao. O ningĩ nĩ agathĩrĩire wĩra ũrĩa makoretwo makiruta matũra-inĩ arĩ hamwe na gũtigĩrĩra atĩ tabarĩra cia thirikari nĩ ciakorwo igĩkinyanĩra.
Tumkaribishe rais kwa makofi mazuri. Karibu sana Mheshimiwa Rais na asante sana.
Tisha sera. We now have a policy of government kutambua village elder. Sasa wewe ukisimama mahali popote unatambulika. Wewe sio tena yule bwana Sheikh hapa alikuwa anasema watu wanamuuliza huyu ni nani. Wewe sasa usimame hapo useme mimi ni village elder. Nafanya kazi chini ya ofisi ya Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Mumenielewa? Jambo la pili, tumekubaliana ya kwamba kila village elder ndio atekeleze wajibu wake kama kiongozi multipurpose pale chini. Tutamfanyia training. Kila mmoja wenu tutawapeleka kwa training. Jambo la tatu, tumekubaliana na nyinyi ya kwamba kuanzia leo village elder atalipwa marupurupu kila mwezi shilingi 3,000 kila mwezi, kila village elder. Jambo la 4, tumekubaliana ya kwamba kila village elder, na mimi nimewaitisha wale viongozi wengine wakuwe hapa ndio wawasikize kwa makini. Ya kwanza Bwana Mbadi, uende sasa utafute pesa katika budget ambayo tutatengeneza mwezi wa 11, 12, tuwawekee hawa watu pesa walipiwe SHA. Kila village elder, yeye, mke wake ama bibi yake ama bwana yake na watoto wao wawekwe katika mpango ya SHA. Wameniuliza ya kwamba hawa wazee hata ingawaje umri ni huo, lakini dijitali pia wanaelewa. Sasa pia muwaongezee pesa kidogo kwa budget. Kila mmoja wao tumunulie simu ile ya sawasawa.
Nigatho na tũgĩthiĩ na mbere tũmũrĩke riboti ya kĩeha kũrĩa mwena wa Nyakumu Laikipia ya rũgongo no kĩeha na kĩmako thutha wa mũtumia ũmwe gwĩkũĩrwo kũraga mũthuriwe na kũmũthika rungu rwa ũrĩrĩ rwa nyũmba ĩrĩa magĩkomaga kana nyũmba ya toro. Na kũragĩtuĩka mũtumia ũyũ wa mĩaka 29 oragire mũthuriwe wa mĩaka 66 ũrĩa kũragĩtuĩka marahikanĩtie kwa ihinda rĩa mĩeri 2. Mwĩrĩ wa mũtigaire wĩigĩtwo nyũmba ya kũiga mĩĩrĩ ya Nyanyuki gũkũ mwĩkĩrwo agĩtanywo gũkinyio mbaũ-inĩ.
mmoja anaitwa Mungai, Jackson Mungai, na bibi yake kwa muda kidogo. Walikuwa wameshikana kwa muda kidogo. Na wakati walipitana, ndio huwa watu wanapitana na wakakosana kidogo kwa nyumba. Mama alichukua chuma na akagonga mzee kwa kichwa, akamuumiza na mzee akafa. Mzee after nyuma ya kufa, alichukua mzee akamkatakata mguu, akamkuja akamweka chini ya kitanda na akamfunika na mchanga. Akawa kama ako kwa mberera.
Sikusikia, nimesikia kwanza mzee hapatikani. Na alipopatikana ikasemekana hapo kwa nyumba yake na ameuawa. Na mshukiwa ni bibi yake. Bibi mwenye wanakaa naye na ni bibi mwenye hajakaa naye muda mrefu, hata watu wake wenyewe hawajamjui vizuri, wengine wamemjua leo.
Leo asubuhi tuliweza kupata ripoti ya kwamba kuna mzee mmoja ambaye ameuawa kwa kijiji kimoja kinaitwa Muramati, na police officers wakakuja wakafika hapa and they were led by the suspect yule ambaye kunasemekana kwamba ndiye ameua. Yule mzee ilikuwa inasemekana alikuwa ameoana for the last 2 months, na akatuelekeza mpaka kwa nyumba mahali ambao aliweza kumpiga na akamzika chini ya kitanda. Tuliweza kupata panga moja na pia tukapata chuma kimoja ambayo aliweza kutumia kupiga yule mzee. Kwa sasa mwili tumeweza kufufua na tukauchukua, tumepeleka mochari na ngoja ifanywe postmortem.
Na hiyo ni ripoti yake andu matibatie gukinyania hau. Na tugithi na mbere ni ati komishoni ya wandikani yugite hena gathina amwe aruti amwe a wira mari na thina wa meciria, na kuringana na Boya Mulu akiugite ati thirikari ni ikoretwo igitigirira ati muno makiria uhoro wa ugima wa meciria ni wekirirwo, kona nginyage ni mandikaga ataramu a guteithiriria aria moneka mari na gathina.
Definitely, if people are mentally unstable, it affects. But it is something that all state departments give special attention. Any public servant who is observed to require such service, they are always assisted. So, but it is no widespread issue. It is just a matter of a few individuals. People have different reasons why they are. Sometimes it's not even work related. It could be domestic issues. But since you work with this individual at the workplace and you see someone as an indication or some parameters that can tell you this person needs mental health, they are always assisted. We have counselors, qualified counselors, properly regulated and registered. Our average age is around 40s, so it is not that bad. And the government has been recruiting at the entry level. So with time, it will come to equilibrium. Obviously, it cannot always be younger workforce alone. Even the young ones will age as time goes. So you will not always have only young people in the office. What is important is, do you always have the pipeline of young people and with the right skill at the bottom as they take over from the elders?
People who run and manage the public service human resource on a day-to-day basis from 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock. So the deep understanding of these values is critical for them so that we can be able to internalize, we can be able to practice, we can be able to embody these values, because going forward we have realized as a public service that to break even and to realize our aspirations for a developed country, we must revisit, we must reflect on our values going forward.
Na kwa thibitari wa mwiki wa Daragwa ni uhuritwo njeki na gutugwo na incubators iria iguteithiriria ciana iria ciaciarwo itakinyite ihinda ria guciarwo na aria magaciarwo mari na mathina matiganite. Uteithio uria uheanitwo ni gikundi kiria kireita STL 133 kuma kuria bũrũri wa Spain manyitani na gikundi kia maendeleo ya wanawake kaunti ya Nyandarua.
Our organization is donating the incubators to take care of life of fetus who are born prematurely, to give them a second chance to live. After donating, we install for the hospital. We make sure the incubator is working so that we don't give you a dead machine. We leave when we have trained the medical personnel, people who will be taking care of you, taking care of the pre-born babies. And that is what we have come to do today.
It is a great honor and privilege to welcome you all to this important occasion on behalf of Maendeleo Wanawake Organization, Nyandarua County. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our generous donors from Spain, whose kindness and compassion have made today's event possible. The donation of these neonatal incubators is more than a gift of equipment. It is a gift of hope. It will strengthen the capacity of Ndaragwa Sub-County Hospital to care for premature and critically ill newborns, giving many babies a better chance to survive and thrive.
Nigatho hau twakinya njitikiria tukorwo tugikiria orohani ntuti turarike kwihurira tukorwo tugicokereria.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Mwangaza wa Neno FM, station ya radio ikuregira umemerekia muthuranire. O muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano, tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ. Thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ, nyitanagĩra na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa gĩthima rũcinĩ. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 ũkanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithĩra KW. Mũgaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ. Nakuo kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ ukanyitanira na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa kĩgoco. Tabarĩra ya kũrimũtha ĩkoretwo ĩgũkinyĩra o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia wa kana thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ kinyagia thaa 7 cia mĩaraho. Rĩu yũkĩte na nditi nene mũno makĩria.
Inapoendelea kunyesha, watambili wa hali ya anga wamesema kwamba
watambili wa number 1 microphone commander Kamau wa Waithĩra KW.
Wawa wengari kosia mwena wapa matirare karuthi na mbere.
Mari hamwe na Women Rep Susan Wangoro ĩrĩgũkinyagira kwambĩrĩria thaa 5 cia rũcinĩ nyagia thaa 7 cia mĩaraho. Rĩu ĩrĩ na mwarahũko wa magegania, mathaa merĩ ma rwĩmbo tu, mwago ũtangĩtigĩka. Ruoro rugitema koragwo wi wa mbere kumenya maria marahanika guku bururi-ini na nja wa itoka cia Kenya.
When it comes to raising children, kendo kia mbere ndirera ciaria thaa ici uria we baba wanyu na mami wanyu kana andu aria makurerire aguka wanyu acio wanyu uria makurerire ti urarera generation ino. Ndikana nyonete ga video kana TikTok kana gatira igwa dio tata wega kero etira mami wanyu akamwira atafanya.
Do we have mutual benefit or any benefit financially from your work too? Kogo, in case you're not there are those people told you your dependents national may suffer financial loss. Life insurance you kaga in that gap.
Tondu hatiri handu ona hamwe angehota gwika waka gutiri gwake gutiri kwao mundu ucio agi no gwikarirwo thi ni aria me thirikari acira matongoretio ni abunge senators aria macira makoiga atiri kwina ndoito mena thi tondu we no inuka nyumba-ini ya ihinda na thina andu acio ritwithio horo wao.
Nyitanagira na Francis Wairura Wanjiko wa Mwangi tabarĩra-inĩ ya gũgĩthererũka o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano thinara na nuthu kinyagia thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ mitambo-inĩ ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Reke tuge ni mwili tuna mwanake majazia tugaga from zero batari na kindu so indo icio mutumia na muthuri ucio magia meke hiko-ini indo icio nicio cietagwo matrimonial property.
Landlord na landlady na tenant ni makubaliano, an agreement, na you are bound by the terms of the agreement. Hiyo makubaliano yenu mlikubaliana aje, rent itakuwa inalipwa aje, itakuwa inalipwa lini, itakuwa inalipwa kwa account gani.
Before gore order kitu kya mbere itia copy ya title kure kwa lands registry kweke search but the question is model mako digital the question search is kwa online through sasa yeah.
Absconding ni kukaterere nakwenda koti kesho lakini sitaenda juu staki kwenda. It's not unakuwa mgonjwa, hiyo inaweza eleweka, but absconding ni ile unakataa kwenda juu without any good reason. Yeah.
Sexual assault toginya ikorwo ni gikokiu ya sexual no korwo ni ugwo waiga tumitugo tutari twega turatuma mundu ucio ngi atuike uncomfortable.
Nio muthenya wa kanaga kiumia thaa 2 nginya thaa 3 cia hwaini guku gwa Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ngatho cia mwanya tugakwamukira ororingi twacokereria makiria ma ayuthi ngiri imwe kuma kuria Laikipia matanyitwo kugunika na mathomo ma kothi cia moko kuma hari kigina kia nyota. Mathomo maya magukorwo makioya ihinda ria mieri 6 na mundu mathomo-ini macio aukohegereire hari mathomo ma kugemania kwenja na njuiri nginyagia kothi ngitiganite hamwe na ICT.
Na nitaka kusema leo tuko hapa kuanzisha nyota program training about is targeting our youths who I think we've been most of them have been idle and trying to know the mind so kulingana leo wa youth ambao wako hapa nimeona watakuwa occupied for 20 days first watakuwa na kwa classes before they are deployed to different institution and sectors for on-job experience. Ile nikisema ni kwamba wanayuthi wetu kwanza tudumize
where we have enrolled a social emotional skills development program, which is a 20-day session where we are going to equip our youths, our beneficiaries, with soft skills and mind education skills, where they get to know themselves on how to be able to relate with managers, bosses in workplaces, where we will dispatch them for 5 months later after these 20 days. It's a pleasure. We are hoping for the success of the project as we put on more effort for this 20 days session.
Youths is an educational program which will help the youths in the future, so nobody can complain that there is no job opportunities, as everybody is provided with a job opportunity.
Kwa Nyota Fund, and I'm happy I'm one of the beneficiaries. Na by the way, it's a very good program kwa sababu imesaidia youths. Wale wengi wako hapa ni youths. Nyinyi mko huko nje mnasema hakuna job opportunities. Hapa kuna opportunity mzuri sana, unalipwa na unasoma, na hiyo miezi 6 bado watakuwa wanaketa everything. Yani kila kitu iko provided. Kama sisi hata young mothers wenye tuko hapa tumeapply, tumepata na watoto wetu hawajaachwa nje. Yani kila kitu iko catered for. We are so happy and proud of this Nyota program, and we are hoping for the best for everyone.
Today we have the social emotional skills development training for the youth. We are expecting 1,120 youth from the 15 wards in Laikipia. Each ward was allocated 75 youth for the training. They will be here with us for the next 20 days.
Nake muthikafu Alfred Rotich kuma kuria kaunti ya Kericho niekitie aritana kuri mugathe gukorwa kitigirira ati mutitu wa Lodiani no wakorwo kigitiro muthikafu arakiuga ati mutitu uyu ukoretwo ugithukangio na niguo ukoretwo kimahe mai ma kunywa ma kuhuthira aningi ukoretwo ri gikaro kia nyamu cia githaka no ru urorete kuriganira.
Enforce absolute protection. Order relevant state agencies, including the Kenya Forest Service and environmental security organs, to place an uncompromised defensive ring around Sambred and its environment to hold ongoing degradation. Uphold an integral ecology. Let your administration legacy be defined not by economic expedience or political compromise, but by courageous defense of the vulnerable, both human and natural.
Nigatho hone tuko tugikirira gaturumo tutinarike kwihurira wona shihada thaa ithatu tugekariko tuko tugicemania oro haha ngetika Wairimu wa Wanjiru mutwathiri na njira ya ciiko mundu gwitwo wa Mbui wa Gaku ni njitagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru.